Hi everyone, today I'm sharing a new page in my envelope art journal, and I've used stamps from Rubber Dance and some dies from Tim Holtz. My page has already some paint on it. That's what I always do when I have leftover paints. I use them on empty pages in other art journals. Now I picked out some old book pages and glued them down with gel medium. I'm also using some washi tape to create the background. One of my favorite ways to bring a background together is to use gesso with a palette knife on top of it. When the gesso is dry, I go in with some more acrylic paints and I thin them down with water a little bit. I'm using some leaf stamps from Rubber Dance when the background is dry to add some more texture. If you have stamps from Rubber Dance, you can join the Rubber Dance Facebook group. It's called the Rubber Dance Stamping Lounge, and share your work or enter the challenge or play in different giveaways. I will give you a link to the group in the description box. I'm stamping the leaves with Stays On and archival ink to make sure that it is waterproof, because I never know if I want to go on top with other mediums. Adding splatters to the page gives it more vibrancy. Instead of stamping the main image directly to the page, I stamp it onto some tissue paper. That makes sure that I will get a good impression. After I've cut out the image, I can use gel medium to glue it down. I use one of my brush up backgrounds to cut out the leaves from Tim Holtz. I arranged the autumn leaves onto the left side of my page. For my sentiment, I used a quote that I printed with the computer, and I just cut it into strips and adhered some double-sided tape to it so I can stick the words down easily. I wanted to have some shimmer on my leaves, so I used the Nuvo Shimmer Pen to glitter them a little bit. Finally, I'm coloring in the mushrooms. I use a paint marker for the stamps, and I will use the real brush pens from Arteza for the heads. Here is my finished page. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope we see us next time. Bye!